Welcome to Edusmart Concept. In this video, let's thoroughly discuss how to tackle theory comprehension questions effectively. Comprehension simply means understanding. It is an initial step in the approach from reading towards writing, as well as measure of testing the student's ability to understand a given text. Essential guidelines for answering comprehension questions. 1. Read the given text carefully, but not sluggishly, to get a clear idea of what it says. 2. When you read first time, try to get the central idea of each of the given paragraphs. Be sure to pay attention to the following WH questions. What is in the paragraph? Who are taking part in the paragraph? When did it happen? Who have spoken the word in the paragraph? Why did that happen? Where did that happen? How did that happen? In case of complex sentence structure and elusive expression, read the 3. Passage over and over again till the meaning is clear to you, but do that as fast as possible. 4. Do not run after the meaning of every new or unfamiliar word or phrase. Instead, try to guess from the context what word or phrase means. 5. Read each question carefully and underline the answer in the passage. 6. Shape the answer in accordance with the question and write it down. It is better to use your own words instead of copying the answer word for word from the passage. 7. For the questions that appear difficult or technical, you have to apply your MNIND analytically and answer them. Bar. Synonyms and antonyms should be of the same part of speech with the words given. For example, the synonym of afraid could be scared or frightened, all of which are adjectives. Again, the synonym of proficiently could be professionally, both of which are adverbs. 9. Your answer should be a complete sentence, not just a phrase or a clause. 10. Avoid omitting auxiliary verbs, helping verbs used in the questions. 11. Your answer must be in the same tense which is used in the question. For instance, if the question is, "Why do you wash your clothes only on weekends?" As an answer, if you say, "Because I'm always busy on weekdays," it is a clause, not a sentence. The correct and complete answer to this question is, "I wash my clothes only on weekends because I'm always busy on weekdays." It is a complete sentence and it is in the same present tense as the question, complying with Rule 8 and 10 respectively. Avoid the following. I. Avoid comments of your own, especially ideas that may seem correct to you but are not stated in the passage. 2. Avoid copying your answers word for word from the passage. 3. Avoid emphasizing the wrong points. IV. Avoid bad style. See that your sentences do not lack unity. V. Avoid colloquial expressions.